In this video, I'm going to cover how to do random seed generation. So basically every time you hit play, you can generate a new world. So if I hit stop and play again, you can see that the mountains are all in different places. Do it again. They're different again. This doesn't stop with just the seed. That's all we're going to cover in this video though. You can also do this with the colors, floats, basically anything you can create a parameter for in your voxel graph. You can then hook into in Blueprint. If stuff like this interests you and you want to see more, then please do subscribe and let me know what questions you have about Voxel Plugin. Well, let's get into it. To start with, you're going to select your Voxel world and we're going to disable create world automatically. We want to set the parameters before we generate it, and we can't do that with blueprints if it's already been created. We'd have to destroy it, which is just a waste of resources. So I'm going to create a new blueprint class. Mine's just going to be an actor. I'm going to call mine randomize VP. Drag it into the scene. Now I'm going to go to event graph. You in here, and then I'm just going to put a small delay to start with. It takes a minute to load things in, so I'm going to put a second on there. Then when that's done, we're going to get actor of class. We're going to get a voxel world, so I'm only going to use the get actor of class, not actors, but you could go through and do it for multiple if you had a bunch of planets in the scene. So after this, we're going to get a cast to voxel world node. This is a bit weird, but I can't figure out how to make it work without casting to the voxel world, even if I have it selected. So this works. We're going to get generator, and you want this one, the variable. Basically, this is the generator that's already there on our voxel world. And then we're going to drag off of this again, we're going to drag off of this again, and we're going to create world. That's the end. And between here, we need to set our generator parameters. So we're going to set generator parameter. Now we hook up the generator to the picker. Now we need to go inside our voxel graph. I'm just inside my terrain one. And this time I'm just going to do seed. So to get a seed parameter, you actually just type in seed. Then let's change the name to world seed. And then do notice that we want the unique name, not the display name. It is a little different when you're using certain characters like spaces. We turn to underscores. So if we just plug this into seed now, hit save, then we're going to go inside the unique name and just type in world underscore seed. And we're going to create a new value each time we run. So we're just going to do random integer in range. And this is just an example. If you were going to have basically any actual game, you would want to be able to save and load the seed. And if it was multiplayer, you'd want to send the seed to other people. I'm not going to go over all of that. Just type in 999. If I hit compile and save. Okay, now inside our viewport, we're just going to play. So we can see mountains pretty much all around us. If we hit it again, now we spawn inside a mountain. Let's go up a little more. So now we're getting a different result each time.